Hello everybody, Anthony Taormina, Editor-In-Chief of GameRant.com here. Going to be doing a little Game Rant mailbag video, unboxing something that we got sent by Dbrand. Dbrand, the company that most people will know as kind of drawing the ire of Sony when they introduced their black console covers for the PlayStation 5. Now they're called dark plates. They removed the kind of cuff that's on the PlayStation 5 and gave you that black console cover. But they make all kinds of skins and cases for handhelds and mobile devices. So what we got sent is related to the iPhone 16 Pro. I have my iPhone 16 Pro here. It's my daily driver. Dbrand has made a case specifically for that. So let's pop it open. Nice little kind of all black case. It also comes with a microfiber cloth for cleaning off your phone before you put it on, but just kind of pop it open. Two flaps, and there we have it. So this is the X-ray case, so it's meant to kind of mimic the internals, the circuitry of the iPhone. Also forgive my fingers and my hands. I have a cat, so if there are scratches on there, I apologize. The kind of two main things is you get the texturing, the design of the case. It's got a good kind of texturing. On the back is a little smoother. It's a little rougher. You got these kind of ridges for holding the phone. All the ports, everything's cut out. But the other main thing is some cases they'll kind of cut a hole here. So for those that might not know, on the iPhone 16 Pro, and maybe the iPhone 16, I'm not sure, there's this camera control button, and this camera control button is both a button, like a shutter button, but it also, when you slide across, you can use it to zoom and things like that. So like when you slide across, if you can see that, you can kind of slide and zoom. So a lot of cases will just notch this part out, and instead Dbrand has kind of put support for the capacitive touch into the case. And then you got your other buttons. There's some ridges on the volume button and the action button as well. Pretty nice looking case. I like the texture. So let's pop my phone in here. We'll probably set off Siri while we do that. Most of these cases are a snug fit, so... Oh, there's Siri. No thank you, Siri. So now we got it in. Ta-da! There's just a little bit of bevel. You're not going to really be able to see it that great, but just to protect the screen a little bit. Feels good in the hands. I like it. And then with the button, you have to be a little deliberate with the cases, I've noticed, when you use the capacitive, but see it now, it works, and there's still kind of protection for the button. It's a nice little case. I like the look. I like the internals. And then also, the cool thing is it comes with this, which is, once you got the phone in, you can put the skin around here, and then it kind of continues the look. You don't have to. I might not, but it's something that is optional for those that might be interested. And this is a case from Dbrand. It's available now. It's for the iPhone 16 Pro, but they got all kinds of cases. If you have a Steam Deck, a ROG Ally X, something like that, you can customize them for different looks. But this is available now, and it's pretty neat. That's it for today's mailbag. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.